Hey, Greg over at DIY RV and Home coming back at you out in the shop. Got a wood project going on today, creating a Christmas present for my wife. She likes to do crafts too, and one thing that she was wanting to get was a ribbon holder to organize the ribbons that she uses. And I thought, what a perfect opportunity for me to get back out in the shop, play with wood, and go from there. So something created by me for her, a little more personalized than just hitting that little button on the computer and hitting that order. So I've got enough for both sides of this piece right here. It's going to be 17 inches long, or 17 inches high, 5.5 wide. I've got gals that the ribbon is going to actually sit on in the storage. She can actually kind of pull on it, so she doesn't have to take it out of the storage unit. She can just pull on it, snip it, and it stays there, or she can pull them out if needed. So let me get this split in half, and then we'll start getting the layout out. There we go. Got it glued up, everything like that. Now she can grab her ribbon if she wants to, or she can just pull it off in spot. It'll hold, let's see, so these are 3 1/4. This is about 4 inch. And then we have the 6 1/4. So we'll hold the various sizes of ribbon. Hope you enjoyed the build. I know my wife's going to really love it, and can't wait for her to pull it out and finish it off the way she wants to. If you guys enjoyed the video, please share, subscribe, and like. Hope to see you on the next video.